Fred Astaire and Sid Charisse, The Bandwagon 1953. Motorcycles have a fascinating origin story rooted in the technological advancements of the 19th century. Forgotten photos capture the fashion of young women in the late 1980s. When cars had turntables, photos of the era when vinyl hit the road, 1950s to 1960s. War correspondent Martha Gellhorn. In June 1944. Muhammad Ali in his 1959 Cadillac Eldorado. Elizabeth Taylor, 1954. A family at a drive-in restaurant has cool air piped into their car. 1957. And 1950. A car hop pouring milk from a bottle into a glass, at McDonald's drive-in. 1930s. Ava Gardner, 1945. Andy's Drive-In with car hops pose in front with cars they're serving, circa 1941. 1940s fashion forecast, hairstyles to swimsuits. Carpenter's Sandwich Stand at 6285 West Sunset Boulevard and Vine Street in Los Angeles. 1930s. Elizabeth Taylor Venice, Italy 1950. The World War II auto mechanic in this photo is Queen Elizabeth II. '40s aesthetic. This seafood restaurant was covered in 50,000 abalone shells. '50s pants and shorts for women. An employee loads the conveyor belts with meals for hungry customers. Pantalon Schiaparelli, Cannes, April 1939.
Drive-ins didn't only serve burgers and fries. Depending on where you went, you could get a full dinner or just a steaming coffee in a mug. 1950s. Louise in 1964. Chanel and Serge Lefar, 1937. Photo, Jean Morel, copyright Bridget Morel. Life at Smith College in 1948, vintage photos of female students in Northampton, Massachusetts. Post-war Leningrad, candid photos of a city reclaiming life, 1945 to 1950. Teenagers dressed for a high school dance in the 1920s. A Red Army unit within the city. Southern California beach vacation, 1947. Peter Stackpole Spring Break 1947. Reconstruction of the streets of Leningrad. The Truth Street. 1946 to 1947.